Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to resize all images to same size in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then we go to the home menu. Select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and choose the picture option. Then click this device. Now I am select multiple picture, press Ctrl on our keyboard. Then click insert, wait some moment. Now we can see here automatically select the all image. Now we press and hold the shift and resize the all image at once. Then move the image on the page. Then move side by side. Now we can see the all image is same size. We make very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.